If you want to win in dropshipping using AI, it's not a choice anymore, guys. It's a must. In this video, I'm going to be covering the best 10 AI tools you should be using this year to make your dropshipping journey as easy as possible. And honestly, the last one is going to blow your mind. Now, before we jump into the tools, I just want to quickly clear something up because you're going to hear terms like LLMs and AI agents a lot in 2025, and they're not the same thing. LLMs like ChatGPT and Claude are powerful language models. You ask them a question and they give you an answer, simple. But agents go a step further. They're like digital employees. They don't just respond, they take action. They can research, compare options, click buttons, and complete multi-step tasks for you across different platforms. So guys, the first AI tool you need to start using is Elicit AI. And honestly, this one's gonna blow your mind for dropshipping product research. Now, if you're just getting into dropshipping, or even if you're a pro, Elicit AI is hands down the most powerful research tool you can start using right now. Now, while most people are still using ChatGPT or Gemini for everything, Elicit AI has a serious edge when it comes to deep product research. And the crazy part is, most dropshippers don't even know this exists. Now, here's the thing. Elicit isn't just another chatbot. It's a specialized AI built specifically for structured source-backed research. And if you try to use random prompts like you would with ChatGPT or Gemini, you'll get weak results because this AI was literally designed for research, not casual conversations. Now, here's what makes Elicit AI absolutely insane for dropshipping. It pulls from over 50 high-quality sources completely for free, and if you want access to even more sources, you can upgrade your plan. You can literally paste in Amazon links, AliExpress listings, or raw product reviews, and it reads all the reviews for you. Then it does something wild. It extracts the top pain points, lists emotional motivators, summarizes customer desires, and even gives you marketing angle ideas. Now, let me give you guys a real example of how powerful this is. You can paste in an Amazon link for a posture corrector, and Elicit will analyze hundreds of reviews and give you a PDF style report that shows you exactly why people buy it, what they complain about most, and even dating back to 2019, 2023. So you can see how buyer motivations have evolved over time. Now, the best part is it's like having a full-time data analyst who reads 1,000 reviews, organizes them into a clean report, and tells you exactly what marketing angles will work. You don't need to spend hours reading through reviews manually. It does all the heavy lifting for you. While your competitors are guessing what customers want, you're getting real data and sources that you can actually trust. Now, guys, the second AI tool that's going to change your content creation is creatorkit.com, and this one's specifically for creating UGC content with AI actors. Now, if you've been paying hundreds of dollars to UGC creators or struggling to find authentic looking testimonials, this is going to change everything. CreatorKit basically uses AI to create realistic user-generated content with AI actors that look and sound like real customers. Now, the crazy part is these AI actors are so realistic that your customers won't even know they're not real people. Now, here's how you can use CreatorKit in your dropshipping business. You can create product testimonials where AI actors talk about how your product solved their problem. You can generate unboxing videos that show the excitement of receiving your product. And you can even create lifestyle content showing your product being used in real-world scenarios. For example, if you're selling skincare products, you can have an AI actor create a testimonial saying, "I've been using this vitamin C serum for 30 days and my skin has never looked better. The dark spots are fading and I get compliments every day." The AI actor will deliver this with genuine emotion and facial expressions. Now, the best part is you can create variations of the same testimonial with different actors, different backgrounds, and different scripts. So instead of paying $200 to $500 per UGC creator or expensive apps, you can use this. I've got a huge announcement that you don't want to miss. Now, don't worry, I've got nothing to sell to you. This is going to be a completely free opportunity that I can promise you don't want to miss out on. Now, this huge announcement is the Ecom King Bootcamp for 2025. Now, if you don't know what the bootcamp is, it's an event that I ran last year where I was mentoring 1,000 people and I gave away over $25,000 in cash prizes. Now, if we talk about the results that the students in the bootcamp got last year, this is where things get crazy. 7 of them hit $100,000 with their store, and over 100 of them hit their first $1,000 with their Shopify dropshipping stores. Now, basically, I'm going to be running the Ecom King Bootcamp again in the next coming weeks. So this is what I'm saying. You do not want to miss this out because it's going to be restricted to just 1,000 people. Now, we're going to be doing cash prizes again this year, and we're going to be giving away a minimum of $25,000 $25,000, divided and split it up to different winners. We're going to be dropping more in-depth video lessons this time that are going to be longer than before, so they're going to be more episodes and the duration are going to be longer. We're going to be doing weekly live calls that are going to be an hour long, so you can learn from me and you can ask your questions. Now, I want to say this again and make it very clear, it's completely free to participate inside of the bootcamp. Now, if you're serious about participating in the Ecom King bootcamp, you can join the waitlist below, or you can access the waitlist in the Ecom King vault. But what I will say is, do not sign up unless you're serious about the bootcamp. Now guys, the third AI tool that's gonna blow your mind for creating video content is Create, and this one specifically for AI generated B-roll footage. Now, if you've been struggling to find good B-roll for your video ads or paying crazy amounts for stock footage, Create is gonna be your secret weapon. Create uses AI to generate high quality video footage based on text descriptions. So instead of searching through thousands of stock videos or hiring a videographer, you can describe what you want and Create creates it for you. Now here's how insane this is. Let's say you're selling fitness equipment. You can type in, create a video of a woman in her 30s working out at home in a modern living room, morning sunlight, motivated expression. And KREA will generate a professional looking video that looks like it was shot with expensive cameras and lighting. You can use KREA to create lifestyle B-roll that shows your target audience using similar products. Now guys, the fourth AI tool on this list is gonna blow your mind, and it's called Ecom King AI. And honestly, this is the best tool for everything dropshipping related. Ecom King AI is literally designed specifically for dropshippers, and it can handle every single part of your business, from product research to store creation to marketing campaigns. Now here's how you can use Ecom King AI in your dropshipping business. You can use the product research feature to find winning products by going to the Ecom King AI launcher, and it'll give you a list of products with detailed analysis, including market size, competition level, and profit potential. It'll generate your store design, product descriptions, and even your about page. You can use the ad copy generator to create Facebook and TikTok ads that convert by inputting your product and target audience. Now, the crazy part is that it eliminates all the guesswork and gives you proven strategies that work. Instead of spending months learning different tools, you can literally run your entire dropshipping business from one dashboard. So guys, the fifth AI tool you need to be using is Glimpse AI, and this one's specifically for discovering trends before they blow up. Now, if you want to succeed in dropshipping, you need to be ahead of the trends, not chasing them when everyone else is already selling the same products. Glimpse AI gives you a crystal ball into what's going to be trending next by analyzing millions of data points across social media, search engines, and e-commerce platforms. You can identify seasonal opportunities before the season hits. For example, let's say you see that ice rollers for skincare. You can jump on this trend before it becomes saturated and start selling ice rollers while the demand is high. Now, guys, the sixth AI tool that's going to open up a whole new world of sales is called Transtore, and this one's all about selling globally the right way. Most beginners make the mistake of only targeting the US, but what they don't realize is you're leaving serious money on the table. Transtore uses AI to translate your entire Shopify store into multiple languages, including everything from your product pages to checkout, app content, and even your SEO meta tags. And here's the smart part, it also has a real-time currency converter that automatically adjusts the price, shipping, and discounts to match the customer's local currency using live exchange rates and smart rounding. So instead of seeing a weird converted number, they'll see something clean like $39.90, which looks natural and increases trust. Now, this is where it gets even better. Transtore has built-in geolocation, which means when someone visits your store from another country, it automatically switches the language and currency for them. No clicks, no confusion, just a smooth experience. So guys, before we move on to the next part of today's video, I want to show you something insane that I know you've been waiting for, which is automating your Facebook ads using the power of AI. And I'm about to show you some of the results that you can get using AI to manage your Facebook ads and even your Google ads. So now I'm inside of one of my Shopify accounts. You can see this is the application here called Ad Wisely, and you can download this on the Shopify App Store, and it will control your ads using AI, which I'm about to show you now. Now, once you've downloaded Ad Wisely from the Shopify App Store, you need to choose one of their plans. Now, the good news is they have a 7-day free trial, which means you can give it a go and see whether or not it's any good for you. Now, if you go to the settings page, you can see your current plan. I'm on the $49 plan, and you can see here, this is my subscription. Now, as soon as you come back to the Ad Wisely dashboard, you're going to see Google ads here and Meta Facebook ads. Now, all you've got to do is click Launch Meta Ads. Now, once you've done this, guys, it's going to take you to your account that you can connect. Now, as soon as you've connected your business manager and your Facebook account, you're now going to see the campaign setup page. And you can see here, this is the ad message. Now, what you can do here, guys, is you can add the product info in, like the product name, the product price, and then you've got your ad message. Then you've got the daily budget, which I'd recommend between $30 and $50. And then you've got the audience location, which I actually recommend the top 15 countries, which is the European countries plus US and Canada. Or you can just do US and the top 5, UK, Australia, New Zealand. And then you can click Save and Continue. Now, once you've done that, you're going to want to connect your Meta business assets. So all you've got to do is click Select Business Manager and select the one that you've connected. Then you've got to do the same as well with the Facebook page. Choose that Facebook page and click Connect. Then you've got to do the same with the Meta ad account. Choose the account that's connected and click Connect. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to go to where it says Choose Pixel, and that's the last thing that you need to connect, and then click Complete Setup. Now, once you've done that, guys, you're now going to see in your Meta Ads dashboard the campaigns that you've just created. Now, you can see the campaign that I've just made here, and you can also see the connected assets to make sure you've done the right ones. And you can see the daily budget, the cost, the link clicks, the orders, the sales, the ROAS, and then you've got these 3 dots where you can resume, pause, or you can edit the campaign. Now, obviously, guys, this is Facebook ads using AI, so it's very minimal, but this AI app is going to do all of the hard work for you, which is learn who's the best audience, how to deliver your ads the correct way. So that's basically how to set it up, and that's how easy it is to use. Now let me show you some insane results. All right, guys, to show you some insane results, check this out. In the last 14 days, $11,900, 33 orders. The cost was $2,000, and the ROAS was 996%, which is insane. And you can see 2 campaigns are currently active on Ad Wisely. Now that was for Facebook. Now check out Google. Google's a similar setup, $62,000 in the last 14 days with the ROAS being 2,100%. So you can see the results can be absolutely insane using AI for your Google ads and your Facebook ads. So Ad Wisely offers that 7-day free trial. So make sure you check it out because you get to see whether or not this is going to do some insane numbers for your accounts. And make sure you use my link in the description to sign up to Ad Wisely to get the best deal if you continue after their 7-day free trial, and you get the best pricing for Ad Wisely. Now, this next AI tool is one of the easiest ways to instantly boost your AOV without even touching your website code. It's called Caching Cart Draw Upsell. Here's the deal. Most beginners use the default Shopify cart draw, and it's boring. No urgency, no upsells, no psychology. You're leaving money on the table. Catching changes that. It gives you a fully customizable slide out cart draw that turns every cart into a revenue opportunity. You can add things like a countdown timer to drive urgency and push fast checkouts, a free shipping bar that updates in real time, so if someone's $5 away from free shipping, they'll want to hit that minimum, a frequently bought together upsell slider like Amazon, but built into your cart, and even toggle upsells like gift wrapping or shipping protection. One click adds it to the cart. You can also build trust by showing payment icons right there in the drawer, which helps increase conversions without adding friction. It's 100% beginner friendly, no code, and super clean on mobile. If your store's not using this yet, you're missing out on free money. Now, guys, the 8th AI tool that's going to help you with product research is Axio. Axio is basically Alibaba's own AI-powered search engine, a business-to-business platform. Here's how you can use Axio in your dropshipping business. You can literally ask it things like, what products are rising in demand over the last 30 days and expected to keep trending for the next 90 days? For example, let's say you're selling in the beauty niche. You can simply ask, what beauty products have been rising in demand over the last 30 days? Now, guys, the 9th AI tool that's going to take your copywriting to the next level is Claude by Anthropic. Now, if you've been struggling to write converting product descriptions, ad copy, and email campaigns, this is going to be your secret weapon. Claude is specifically designed for long-form content and complex reasoning. It can analyze your competitors' copy, understand your target audience, and create copy that converts. The crazy part is it can write in different tones and styles depending on your brand and audience. Now, here's how you can use Claude for your dropshipping business. You can give it your product and target audience, and it'll create complete product descriptions that hit all the pain points and benefits. You can ask it to write ad copy for different platforms, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, and it'll adjust the tone and format for each platform. And you can even give it your best performing ad copy and ask it to create variations that maintain the same converting elements. For example, if you're selling luxury skincare to women over 40, Claude can write sophisticated premium copy that speaks to their concerns about aging and desire for high quality products. If you're selling gaming accessories to teenagers, it can write casual, trendy copy that uses the language and references that resonate with that audience. Now, what makes Claude different from other AI tools is that it can handle complex projects. You can give it your entire product catalog and it'll create consistent copy across all your products that maintains your brand voice and messaging. Now guys, the 10th and final AI tool on this list is going to absolutely blow your mind, and it's called Chargeback.io. Now here's something most dropshippers don't talk about. Chargebacks can literally destroy your business, especially as you start scaling and processing more orders. Each chargeback can cost you $30 or $100 in fees, plus you lose the sale and the product. And if your chargeback rate gets too high, payment processors can shut down your account, which means you can't process payments anymore. Now, what's insane about Chargeback.io is that it uses AI to automatically fight chargebacks for you. It analyzes each chargeback case, gathers all the evidence from your store, and submits professional responses that have an 85% success rate in winning disputes. You can see on Chargeback.io's dashboard all your chargeback cases and their status. It even gives you insights on why chargebacks are happening so you can prevent them in the future. Maybe you're getting chargebacks because your product descriptions aren't clear, or your shipping times are longer than expected. So guys, there you have it, the 10 must-have AI tools for dropshipping for this year. Now remember, using these tools isn't just about making your life easier, it's about staying competitive in a market that's changing faster than ever. Now I know some of you might be thinking that this is a lot of tools to learn, but honestly, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever ran a dropshipping business without them. The time and money you'll save are absolutely insane. Now, if you want access to the complete cheat sheet with all the links to these tools, plus 5 additional AI tools that I didn't mention in this video, make sure this video hits 1,000 likes. The cheat sheet will be in the pinned comment and description below once we hit that target. And with that being said, guys, I'll check in with you on the next video. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try.